CW30's Maria Hollis is an attorney. And Maria, why are attorneys saying that they are not surprised by this decision?
Good evening, Brandon and Katina. Criminal civil rights violations are tougher to prove than excessive force crimes. The Department of Justice found in this case the evidence makes it tough to show excessive force and even tougher to prove willfulness, which means a person intentionally committed a criminal act. There will be no federal criminal charges against the Memphis police officer who fatally shot Darius Stewart.
After a thorough review of the facts surrounding the matter, we found insufficient evidence to support federal criminal civil rights charges against Connor Schilling.
The U.S. Attorney's announcement ended all possibility former officer Connor Schilling will be criminally charged in connection with Stewart's death. Steve Mulroy is a former federal prosecutor.
It isn't surprising to me at all that the U.S. Attorney declined to bring charges.
It is uncontroverted that Schilling and Stewart engaged in a violent struggle several moments before Schilling shot Stewart.
And if there is, in fact, physical evidence and other evidence to suggest that there was an actual altercation between the two of them, then I don't think it's consistent with willfulness.
State law does not require prosecutors to show willfulness, but federal law does. Willfulness requires evidence the former officer purposefully intended to break the law while shooting Stewart to death.
A mistake or fear, misperception, or even poor judgment do not constitute willful conduct.
Congressman Steve Cohen, who initiated the federal investigation, said he was not surprised given the heightened legal requirements, but disappointed.
If this was a case where somebody should not have been able to retire without any sanctions from the police department and basically benefit from his action by getting an immediate pension for life.
Congressman Cohen did say he respected the decision from DOJ and believes others should trust that decision as well.
Is the DOJ, after this decision or this announcement today, are they out of the picture?
Well, we heard from Edward Stanton, the attorney, the U.S. attorney, that the DOJ has formally requested that Memphis police participate in a collaborative reform process. That's a process where DOJ will take a look at the policies and practices of Memphis police and may make some changes.